Online identity and self-presentation. In today's digital world, a large part of human interaction takes place on the internet, where people communicate, share experiences, and build relationships through social media platforms and online communities. This has led to the growing importance of online identity and self-presentation, concepts that help us understand how individuals represent themselves in virtual spaces. In simple terms, online identity refers to the image or version of a person that exists on the internet, while self-presentation refers to the way individuals consciously shape and manage that image through their actions, posts, and interactions. Whenever a person creates an account on a social media platform, they begin constructing their online identity. This identity may include their name, profile picture, biography, interests, and the content they share. Unlike real-life interactions, where people often respond spontaneously, the online environment allows individuals to carefully think about what they want to present. They can edit their pictures, rewrite their messages, and choose which parts of their life to display. This gives people a higher level of control over how others perceive them. One of the most important features of online identity is that it is selective. People usually do not present their complete selves online. Instead, they highlight certain aspects of their lives while hiding others. For example, individuals often share moments of success, happiness, and enjoyment, such as achievements, celebrations, or travel experiences. At the same time, they may avoid sharing difficulties, failures, or negative emotions. This selective sharing creates an idealized version of reality, where life appears more perfect than it actually is. As a result, there is often a difference between a person's real-life identity and their online identity. Self-presentation is strongly influenced by the desire for social approval. On many platforms, features such as likes, comments, and shares act as indicators of popularity and acceptance. People may adjust their behavior to gain more positive responses from others. They may follow popular trends, use attractive visuals, or present opinions that are likely to be appreciated. This process is similar to how people behave in face-to-face situations, where they try to create a good impression, but the online environment intensifies this behavior by making feedback immediate and visible to a larger audience. Another key aspect of online identity is its flexibility. In the physical world, identity is often shaped by fixed factors such as appearance, location, and social roles. Online, however, individuals have the freedom to present themselves in different ways. They can maintain multiple profiles for different purposes, such as professional, social, or anonymous interactions. For example, a person may present a serious and formal identity on a professional platform, while showing a relaxed and personal side on another platform. This flexibility allows individuals to explore different aspects of their personality, but it can also create confusion if there's a large gap between different versions of the self. The audience plays a crucial role in shaping online self-presentation. People are aware that their content can be viewed by friends, family, colleagues, and even strangers at the same time. This creates a situation where individuals must carefully balance how they present themselves to different groups. For instance, something that is acceptable among close friends may not be appropriate in a professional context. Managing this mixed audience can be challenging and requires constant awareness of how one's actions may be interpreted. Social and cultural pressures also influence how people present themselves online. Standards of beauty, success, and lifestyle that are popular in society often shape what individuals choose to share. For example, there may be pressure to appear attractive, successful, or constantly happy. When people compare their real lives to the idealized images they see online, they may feel inadequate or dissatisfied. This highlights how online identity is not only a personal choice but also shaped by broader social influences. It is important to understand that online identity can have real-world consequences. The information people share online can affect their reputation, relationships, and opportunities. Employers and educational institutions often review online profiles before making decisions, which means that online behavior can influence future outcomes. In this sense, self-presentation online is not only about expression but also about responsibility. Individuals must be mindful of what they post and consider the long-term impact of their digital presence. Despite these challenges, online identity also provides valuable opportunities. It allows people to express themselves creatively, share their ideas, and connect with others across the world. Individuals can build communities based on shared interests, support causes, and showcase their talents. For some people, especially those who may feel limited in their offline environment, the online space offers a chance to gain confidence and recognition. Online identity also plays a role in shaping how individuals see themselves. The feedback they receive from others can influence their self-esteem and self-image. Positive interactions can boost confidence, while negative comments can lead to stress or self-doubt. This shows that online experiences are closely connected to emotional well-being and personal development. In addition, the concept of authenticity becomes important when discussing online self-presentation. Some people try to present themselves as genuinely as possible, sharing both positive and negative aspects of their lives. Others may focus more on creating a perfect image. Finding a balance between authenticity and careful presentation is a challenge that many individuals face in the digital age. In conclusion, online identity and self-presentation are central to understanding human behavior in the modern world. Online identity is the image of a person that exists on the internet, while self-presentation is the process of shaping and managing that image. Although the digital environment offers freedom, creativity, and connection, it also brings challenges such as pressure, comparison, and the need for responsibility. By understanding these concepts, individuals can use online platforms more effectively and maintain a healthy balance between their virtual and real lives. If you found this explanation helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to learn sociology in a simple and engaging way.